Tired of the PayPal to Bkash transfer headache? Let's unlock a simple workaround using Remitly. First things first, open your Remitly app if you don't have it. Download it from your app store. It's your bridge between PayPal and Bkash. Tap on the Send button to initiate a new transfer. Select Bangladesh, as the country you're sending to this is crucial, because Bkash is primarily used in Bangladesh. Next, choose Bangladeshi Taka, BDT. As the receiving currency, this ensures your recipient gets the money in their local currency. Now, enter the amount you want to send in either your currency or the equivalent in BDT. Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Choose mobile money as your delivery method. This is how we connect to Bkash. Remitly supports direct transfers to Bkash accounts. Enter your recipient's details, their full name exactly as it appears on their Bkash account, and most importantly, their Bkash account number. Double-check this info. A single typo can delay or even cancel the transfer. Here's the catch. Remitly doesn't directly accept PayPal, but you can use a debit or credit card funded by your PayPal account. Add your card details to Remitly as your payment method. This card should be linked to your PayPal. Review all the details carefully, the amount, the recipient's information, and the fees. Once you're sure everything's correct, confirm the transfer. Remitly will process the payment using your linked card, effectively drawing funds ultimately from your PayPal balance. And you're done. Remitly will provide a confirmation number and an estimated time for the funds to arrive in the recipient's Bkash account. Remember to check Remitly's exchange rates and fees before sending. And now, you've unlocked the power of sending money from PayPal to Bkash.